This setup works with Claude, Codex, Gemini, and the coding agent stack you already use. It stays fully local through Conductor OSS at conductros.com. Today, the source is a Vaishnavi post about Microsoft Presidio, an open-source PII detection and anonymization SDK. The hook is simple. Before customer data touches an LLM, Presidio can detect sensitive text and replace it, mask it, redact it, hash it, or encrypt it. That matters because every agent pipeline now has logs, prompts, retrieval chunks, screenshots, support tickets, and eval traces. If you are not filtering those streams, you are trusting every model call, every plugin, and every debugging transcript to behave perfectly. Presidio is not just a regex package with a Microsoft logo on it. The official docs call it a data protection and de-identification SDK. The core idea is a two-stage flow. First, the analyzer finds PII entities in unstructured text using predefined recognizers, custom recognizers, named entity recognition, regular expressions, checksum logic, rule-based logic, and context from nearby words. Then the anonymizer takes those spans and applies operators like replace, mask, redact, encrypt, decrypt, hash, or custom logic. The repo also documents multiple deployment lanes, Python packages, PySpark workloads, Docker services, and Kubernetes. That is why the tweet is interesting. This is not a toy demo for one prompt. It is infrastructure you can put in front of agent memory, call center transcripts, RAG ingestion, form submissions, and support inboxes. The analyzer is the part that decides what is sensitive. Officially, it runs a set of PII recognizers, each responsible for one or more entity types. Some are pattern-based, like credit cards, IP addresses, IBANs, phone numbers, or email addresses. Some depend on NLP models, like names, locations, and dates. Some use context, so the surrounding words can raise or lower confidence. I ran the package locally against fake patient and employee records. It detected the name John Doe, the email address, the phone number, the credit card, the appointment time, and several URL-like fragments. In another sample, it detected Jane Smith, Redmond, Washington, and the company email. The important lesson is not that one default pass catches every possible secret. Microsoft warns that automated detection has limits. The useful pattern is to start with the built-in registry, then add custom recognizers for your domain. After detection, the anonymizer is where the privacy boundary becomes visible. You can replace a person name with a fixed token. You can mask a phone number while keeping the last digits. You can redact an entity completely. You can hash it when you need stable matching or encrypt it when a reversible workflow is required. In the local run, a sentence with a patient name, email, phone, credit card, and appointment time turned into a safe version before it ever needed to leave the process. That is the operating model I like for LLM apps. Do the sensitive data decision at the edge of your system. Do not send raw records into the model and hope a system prompt says, "Please be careful." Anonymize the prompt, store the mapping only where you need it, and make the model work on sanitized context by default. Presidio goes beyond plain text, which is where this gets more useful for real companies. The docs list Presidio structured for tabular data and JSON. That matters because a lot of PII lives inside CSV exports, support dashboards, event payloads, and data frames, not just paragraphs. The image redactor uses OCR plus the analyzer to find sensitive text inside images. The documentation also calls out DICOM medical images, with an important caveat. The image redactor path can redact pixel data, but metadata needs its own scrubber. That nuance is exactly why this is better than a hype post. The source material is honest about limits. Presidio can be part of a HIPAA, GDPR, or audit workflow, but it is not a magic compliance shield. You still need tests, policy, access control, logging discipline, and human review for risky domains. For an AI product, I would wire Presidio in 4 places. First, run it during ingestion, before documents enter a vector store. Second, run it at prompt time, because user input and retrieved context can both contain secrets. Third, run it on logs and traces, so failed agent runs do not become a permanent PII leak. Fourth, Run it on exports, screenshots, and datasets before sharing them with contractors or external tools. The architecture is not complicated. Raw input, analyzer, risk score, anonymizer, safe prompt, model call, and a controlled map for reversible fields only if the business really needs reversibility. The product decision is stricter. Never let the model become your first privacy filter. Put Presidio before the model, then add domain-specific recognizers, allow lists, deny lists, and regression tests that prove your pipeline catches the data you actually handle. If you want this style of local agent workflow, Conductor OSS is at conductros.com and github.com/tyrannyk06/conductor-OSS. It works with the current setup and with Claude, Codex, Gemini, and other coding agents while keeping orchestration local. For Presidio, the links that matter are the Microsoft GitHub repo and the official docs. The takeaway: LLM privacy is not a prompt writing problem. It is a pipeline problem. Presidio gives you a real starting point for catching and transforming sensitive data before your model, agent, log system, or vector store ever sees it.